Megan Elizabeth here with another Tell the Story with me. And today I want to scrapbook my beautiful friend, Cody. We came to meet each other. She happened to be the receptionist who answered the phone when I needed a dental surgery all the way back in 2012. And we got to talking, and her heart and what God has done in our friendship is really only something he could do. So we've been friends since 2012. She lives out in Wisconsin, and we've done a lot of life together, a lot of hard things, a lot of amazing things, a lot of beautiful things. Seen each other through marriage, through having babies. Our youngest babies are literally a couple weeks apart. Her little boy is so sweet, and he's just a few weeks older than Graydon. And we've gone through medical things together. We've gone through surgeries together. And one of her recent journeys is being a foster parent in the foster system. Cody is always a incredible encouragement to my heart, helping me in things with business, in Bible study, in prayer. And I really wanted to do the scrapbook page to tell more of that story. So I am using the Dream Maker kit from Close to My Heart. So this is what I've been using for all of this month of June. And I'm going to do some hidden journaling, and I'm going to do one 12 by 12 page and utilize both sides of this 12 by 12 page. So I'm taking an 8-inch by 8-inch square. I'm just doing a little bit of adhesive at the very top, and I'm going to adhere this photo of Cody and this beautiful little love, this little angel, and I'm going to put that on the one side of this page. So just going to adhere that matted photo down, and then that white square is going to be able to lift up to be able to tell my story of this friendship and what she means to me and how we met or whatever it would be. So that white flap will be able to lift up, and I can write on both sides of it. So it's just a really simple thing. I'll put a little crease in it, and then I can write away. This is my favorite way to hidden journal. I can even add extra little strips if I wanted to decorate, and hide the crease if I wanted to. Typically, I put the crease in before I adhere it down, and I just didn't today, but that's okay. I am going to use the reverse side and do more pictures of just Cody and I together. So I'm matting with some of the coordinating cardstock. I love this fun watercolor swirl pattern on the solid cardstock. So one side has this pattern, and then the other side is the coordinating solid cardstock color. So fun for photo matting. So I'm just going to trim this down and trim out each photo and be able to place this literally just on the reverse side. So it doesn't need to have anything on the back. It'll just go right into my page protector as is, and it'll have both sides of the scrapbook page done. I don't do this on every page that I do, but because I love this Dream Maker paper so much, and because it is a continued story of my friendships going through this section of my photo album, this works out absolutely perfectly. So I'm just going to start placing my photos kind of where I want them, and I'm really going to be using a lot of stickers, I think, for this side, since most of my handwritten journaling is just going on that other side, and I want to be able to type and write it out. But we've spent Christmas Eve together. We are in our matching Christmas Eve pajamas because I had to go out to Wisconsin, and it was my first and only Christmas away from my entire family, but I spent it with Cody. We've done so many fun things together over the years. Like I said, she's been there when I've been in the hospital. She's called the ambulance for me and kept my kids, and I've been there for her through her surgeries and some of her health things, and we just have a really beautiful friendship, so I'm very thankful for it. I love these stickers in the Dream Maker set. They spell out faith. I'm going to just place them down one by one. I'm going to place these other stickers on that kind of go along with aspects of our friendship, and I'm going to even underline using gold pen, highlight some different things similar to that, the same gold pen that I used in last week's Tell Your Story video. where I drew the different gold lines on the black cardstock pieces or the die cut pieces. So very similar situation. So just being able to place these very fun gold foiled stickers, the butterflies and hearts, and really there's so many beautiful ones on this. I can't get enough of it. I ordered 3 of these kits. So I would have enough of the paper and the stickers to continue to tell different friendship stories, even past this video series that we're doing right now. So I just wanted to be able to share it with you. I love doing this video series. So if you love it too, will you leave a little comment or a like or a thumbs up so that I know that you guys are actually enjoying some of the scrapbook page inspiration. It just helps me to know what you guys like to see here on YouTube and Facebook and all the other things. These are other stickers. I am cutting them up so that I can line them up. They have different phrases and words on them. So I'm just cutting them and placing them on the page. I want to get a good lineup at the top corner. So I'm just going to turn the page and be able to line these up and really just give a little bit more of a flair and a story to it, and have it fit really beautifully on the page. Sometimes even being able to grab the scissors and put the pieces in, lifting it up, is a great way to do it as well. Now I'm just going to grab that gold pen. I'm going to write in my journaling about how God really has blessed this friendship and brought her into my life for a reason, and hopefully well beyond just this season of life, but much longer. And I'm double doing it because sometimes it just doesn't come up as well because it is more of a paint pen versus a journaling pen. But I really like that it's actually true gold metallic, so it's fun. And then I'm just adding some extra little accents and embellishments with the gold pen. And like I said, underlining each letter of faith and just putting in little hearts and dashes and things like that as well because it's beautiful. And that is the finished page. Being able to tell the story of this beautiful friendship that I have with Cody. She's such a gift, a precious friend of faith and love, and her heart and story is beyond amazing. I'm just so thankful for her and all that she is to not only me, but my family and so many other people as well. So thanks for telling the story with me today. I would love to invite you into She Makes Club, where I want to tell your stories, help you tell your stories in a way that's meaningful and impactful to you. We create with our Cricut machines and so much more. So if you haven't already checked us out, come on over and visit us, shemakes.club/join. We would love to have you. And if you would, like I said, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, click the little bell for notifications. We would love to create with you more and make a life that you love. Enjoy the moments. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.